Today we're going to show you what makes old ammo especially dangerous. So not only does brass usually get brittle as time goes on, most of the time the primers or the powders, they degrade. These right here are old 1936 German. They was the SMK Whisper. That was the armor piercing tracer. But I pulled them all down and used the bullets in modern cases with modern powders to prevent the problems. But I'll show you what makes it so dangerous. So normal primer is supposed to go pop like that right there. You see it? Hits the primer pretty good. We'll just go down the line and we'll show you. See? That one didn't go pop. See what usually happens, if you see it, it's smoking all over the place. But what usually happens, instead of going pop and detonate like they're supposed to, they'll stir another smolder. And that's what makes them extremely dangerous. They don't want them to smolder, because it makes the ignition of the powder and other stuff extremely unpredictable. And sometimes see, that one right there didn't make a lot of sound. And you notice that right there ain't even smoking. So it just, even though it hits the primer real good, it don't even smoke. That's another one. So this is the reason why I pulled all these down, just to use the components. Even though it ignited, it still didn't go pop. So the primer smolders. No. And that right there didn't even go pop. Again. Hey. But sometimes these old, even these right here were sealed up in a case, and there's no corrosion whatsoever on any of the cases, they still have like a 90-something% failure rate. But that's the reason why and right there went pop. That's the reason why you be wary of real old ammo, because it can cause problems.